Welcome to this explainer on how AI is absolutely revolutionizing the way you manage your money and make investment decisions. Look, if you're looking to grow your wealth, taking control of your financial future has literally never been more accessible. Today, we're opening up the Modern Investor's Toolkit to see exactly how artificial intelligence is fundamentally transforming the whole financial game.
To kick things off, we've got to ask a pretty bold question. Is artificial intelligence actually managing your money better than you can? We all know finance is this incredibly complex, fast-moving world, right? It takes split-second decisions, super accurate predictions, and really deep analysis. And traditionally, all that heavy lifting was done by humans. You had to rely on human brokers, human fraud analysts, or, honestly, just your own manual tracking. But with the rise of sophisticated AI, the game has completely changed. We're seeing a massive shift from manual tasks to these incredibly intelligent algorithms, basically rebuilding personal finance from the ground up.
So, here's our agenda for building your modern toolkit. We'll cover stopping fraud in real time, your 24/7 virtual assistant, expanding your credit access, smart investing with robo-advisors, and finally, balancing innovation and risk. Let's jump right into section 1, stopping fraud in real time with your AI shield. Okay, so we're starting with what is arguably the most critical question for any retail investor. Is your money actually safe? Well, AI is stepping up as this absolute powerhouse weapon in the fight against financial crime to protect your hard-earned assets. It rapidly cycles through 3 core steps in real time. First up, it analyzes massive data sets. We're talking scanning millions of data points across global networks in just milliseconds. Second, using machine learning, it spots anomalies and detects fraudulent activities the exact moment a bad actor tries to strike. And third, it prevents potential losses instantly. Think about how it used to be. Fraud was usually detected way after your money was already gone, and you were stuck dealing with the nightmare aftermath. Today, this AI shield is actively locking down threats and freezing compromised accounts before a single cent ever leaves your portfolio. The real secret to this shield is identifying patterns and executing trades with lightning-fast precision. You see, AI doesn't need to sleep, and it definitely doesn't miss the small details. Those days of human analysts meticulously studying market trends and executing trades manually, basically gone. Now, sophisticated algorithms chew through vast amounts of financial data instantly. And this lightning-fast precision isn't just about playing defense against fraudsters. It's also playing offense for your portfolio. By automating trading and algorithmic investing, AI cuts out human error, maximizes your profit potential, and actively grinds to grow your wealth. Moving on to Section 2, your 24/7 virtual assistant and support on demand. You can finally say goodbye to those infamously long wait times and those incredibly frustrating phone menus we all dread when we just need to talk to our bank. This whole revolution in customer service is driven by something called natural language processing, or NLP. It's basically the technology paired with machine learning that lets AI actually understand and instantly respond to your questions. Whether you're typing in a chat or just speaking normally, these AI-powered virtual assistants are absolute game changers. They instantly pull up your specific customer data, look at your transaction history, check your automated payments, and help you out incredibly efficiently, entirely based on your unique financial profile. And honestly, the best part? It's available 24/7. Since these AI systems don't clock out, you get access to your banking services and instant resolutions no matter the time zone or if it's way past normal business hours. Unlike the old school channels, you have support exactly when you need it. Plus, because AI handles this massive wave of routine questions all at once, actual human agents are finally freed up to focus on the really complicated stuff. Or, offer deep financial advice when you actually need a real human touch. All right, Section 3, expanding your credit access, a giant leap forward. Look at how this builds up your financial opportunities. AI is completely rewriting the rules on how your creditworthiness is evaluated. Traditional scoring leans heavily on, frankly, a dusty filing cabinet of historical data and a super limited set of variables to decide if you're quote-unquote creditworthy. But with AI, we've taken a huge leap forward. AI utilizes this massive web of alternative data, giving a much more comprehensive assessment that goes way beyond that traditional financial info that used to act as a gatekeeper to building wealth. So instead of just staring at your past loans, AI algorithms spot predictive patterns by looking at things like your online behaviors, social media profiles, and even your smartphone usage patterns. Now, I know that might sound a bit like sci-fi, but by incorporating these alternative data points, lenders can make much smarter lending decisions with way lower default risks. And more importantly, it extends credit access to people who are completely overlooked by the old system, like young adults or folks who are just brand new to the financial world. It's really promoting a much more inclusive industry, giving way more people the leverage they need to actually start investing. Which brings us to Section 4, Smart Investing with Robo-Advisors and the Democratization of Wealth. Moving from just getting credit to actually building prosperity, we really need to talk about robo-advisors. These tools assess your risk profile and your investment objectives to suggest optimal strategies based purely on hard data and algorithms. Back in the day, getting professional financial advice and a truly personalized investment strategy was pretty much limited to folks who already had significant wealth or deep industry connections. Well, not anymore. These AI-powered platforms crunch massive amounts of market trends, economic indicators, and company performance data, which completely takes the emotion and guesswork out of decision-making. And your personalized robo-advisor recommendations? They're tailored exactly to your unique financial situation and goals. They break down suitable asset allocations, handpick specific investment products, and they even bake highly technical, tax-efficient strategies right into your portfolio. This level of personalization is just incredibly empowering. It lets you make smart, strategic decisions about your money, even if you are entirely new to investing, or, hey, maybe you just don't have the time to sit there and track the markets every single day. Finally, we arrive at Section 5, Balancing Innovation and Risk in the Future Ecosystem. Looking at the big picture here, artificial intelligence is obviously reshaping the financial industry at a completely unprecedented pace. But while AI offers some truly tremendous opportunities for your portfolio, we have to acknowledge the key challenges: ethics, security, and privacy. Finding that perfect balance between rapid technological innovation and the responsible use of these systems is absolutely crucial. To build a truly inclusive, safe financial ecosystem, the industry has got to rigorously safeguard your private data and make sure security protocols are literally unbreachable. I want to leave you with this final thought to chew on as you step into a world where human and machine collaboration really defines financial success. How will humans and machines collaborate to shape your financial future? The tools are out there right now, from instant real-time fraud protection to deeply personalized robo-advisors. It's really up to you to grab them and add them to your modern toolkit. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you next time as we continue to decode the fascinating world around us.